Hey everyone, my name is Leo. This is for TSM 435. This is our lab A. This is our temperature measurement lab. So essentially we created a device that's gonna measure temperature. This is how it would look like. You have a graph that measures it, in Fahrenheit through time. We have the voltage here, elapsed time, a stop button, and then temperature in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, with both a thermometer and just the numeric values. And then we have this little calibration dial that'll get into a little bit more detail. Essentially what's going on here is that a device in the lab is outputting about like 2.73 volts, and then we're going to calibrate that a little bit. So we're going to add a little bit more voltage to it, and we're going to convert that into Kelvin. So essentially we're going to multiply that times 100 to get to Kelvin, and from there we're going to get to Celsius and then to Fahrenheit. Let's go to the block diagram so that makes a little bit more sense. So here, this is going to output about our 2.73 voltage. As you can see, it's going to go right here. This is where calibration is happening. So we're going to add these two up, and then we're going to multiply that times the given voltage from the devices in the lab. That's going to get us somewhere around 273.15, around there, maybe more, maybe less. And then that's going to give us our value in Kelvin, but we don't really need that. So we're going to subtract 273.15 to give us our value in Celsius. And then as you can see right here, we're gonna give those values to both the thermometer and the numeric values for Celsius. We're gonna be able to see that in the actual front panel. Next, we convert the Celsius into a double, and then we use this formula right here, 9 divided by 5 times C Celsius plus 32 to give us our temperature in Fahrenheit. Again, over here, we're gonna have the Fahrenheit be shown in both the numeric value and the thermometer, as well as a little graph that we see right here. This part right here kind of just synchronizes it all. Make sure it works. Here we're writing over here to our front panel, and this kind of just gives us our elapsed time and our stop buttons right here. And then this whole thing is in a while loop. When I originally did this, I didn't put the while loop in, so it wasn't working, but I had to make this big old while loop just to make sure it does work. So let's go back to the front panel. Oh, my bad. Let's go right here. Alright. So now we're actually gonna try it on. So let's go. We're gonna go 0. We're gonna go 0. See what happens. So as you can see, it's moving. Time's going. That's our current voltage right now. And then at that voltage, our temperature is this and this. And then everything's we're not moving anything, so it's kind of staying still. This is moving because the temperature ranges are changing, but let's go all the way to 1 real quick. As you can see, oh, shot up. Temperature's different. And there you go. And then you go over here. Again, changes are happening. And that's it. We're basically changing the temperature based on the voltage that's being given to the computer. So thank you very much. Bye-bye.